am so excited that you are signed up for the webinar. So we are going to be going into choosing the best plants that give you the biggest bang for your buck when you are looking at raising and preserving a year's worth of food. I'm going to be showing you how to take advantage of the space that you have so that you can get more harvest from the space that you have, because who doesn't want to have more harvest with less work? I'm also going to be sharing with you the exact amount of time it truly takes to raise a year's worth of food so that you can go into it with your eyes wide open and knowing what to expect. And also some of my tips on how we've been able to save time and still raise a year's worth of our own food. So I can't wait to share that all with you in the masterclass. We're going to be diving in deep and giving you some very tactical information and tips that we have used and put into place here on our own homestead. But for those of you who are ready to dive in, you already know that you want to be raising as much of your own food as possible and preserving it and putting it up and creating a homegrown and homemade life. Then I invite you to join the Pioneering Today Academy. It is where I have laid out for you step by step on how to do things so that you can shorten that learning curve. You're not wasting time searching or looking from places of people who maybe are just talking about it but aren't actually living it, especially year in and year out. And you're joining a community of hundreds of other people who are living this exact same lifestyle as you are and can help you, keep you accountable, and give you inspiration and tips that they have learned so that you're getting real life application so that you are able to work this into your busy schedule and get things done. So you can click the button below and jump straight into the videos, and the lessons and the download guides are all waiting for you right now. So if you know this is your time, this is your year, you're going to be raising your own food, you're going to be preserving it, cooking things from scratch, then I invite you to join the Pioneering Today Academy right now. I can't wait to see you in the masterclass and hopefully on the inside within the lessons of the Pioneering Today Academy.